Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to create simple and beautiful floating diyas for this Diwali. First let's gather your material. I'll be using a large bowl here and I already filled it with water. You can use any container like glass or a small bowl which works great for individual diyas. Next we'll take a cotton batti. I am using a flower shaped cotton batti for this. This is how it looks like. You can use a regular one as well. I am using this because it holds oil much better. Now, I recommend you to soak it in an oil for a while for a better results. Now, we'll take some waste plastic sheets. I have these pieces from clothing package. Cut them into small pieces, as many as you want. Now, I'm folding it like this to make a tiny hole in the center so that we could place our cotton batti. It is even easier if you are doing an individual diyas. I'll share a picture from birthday celebration where I made a floating diyas using glass years ago. Now that we have everything ready, let's pour some oil into the water. Since oil floats, this will help our diyas to light up. So the amount of oil you use totally depends on how long you want this diyas to long. So here I am pouring just the enough oil to cover the top layer of my bowl here. Now let's place diyas into the water. I'm placing this batti to this plastic sheet, and pro tip here, remember to pull the tip of this batti upwards for a long lasting lights. Since I am using a big bowl, I'll add like 5 to 7 sets of diyas. Now it's time to decorate. I'm using rose petals to fill the top layer. They will stay on this plastic sheet creating a beautiful floating effect. I'm just adjusting the tips so that they are standing firm. Now finally it's time to light them. And this is how your floating diyas are all ready. They can last for hours depending on the length of batti tip and the amount of oil you used. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative ideas. Wishing you a very happy Diwali and see you next time.